Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Knape and Vogt number BX1062 US3A. This is a lock that's going to be used quite commonly on bypass doors that will give you the ability to simply prevent the doors from opening. It'll be very commonly used in that instance. Also very commonly used in a pocket type door application as well. This is the lock body shown with the tailpiece extended or in the locked position. And quite frankly, it's just the key that operates as a turn handle to lock and unlock the unit. That's how this works. Why would you want to lock a bypass door? None of my business. You probably just don't want to have anyone going inside your closet or your pocket door. Okay, very, all kidding aside, you want to lock a bypass door or a pocket door, this would very elegantly do the job. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to the installation instructions that will allow you to review the procedure by which you go and install these. Let me give you some dimensional properties and we'll get into it next. Width of the base plate on the back is about 1 1/8 inches. Overall height is about 2 inches. Overall dimension from the back of the base plate to the front of the cylinder, about 1.5 inches. Okay. You will be able to use this on doors from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 thick. On the thicker doors, you're going to have this cylinder bezel that you're going to insert into the hole, and it's going to look somewhat like that. Your cylinder face is not going to come all the way to the exterior of the opening, but it's going to look something like that. Okay. Length of the projecting tailpiece on the back, at least from the back of the door, looks like it's just under 1 inch. Now that link to the installation instructions, let's study that for a moment. Very simple and straightforward. You basically are going to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the hole, the back set so to speak, will be 3/4 inch. And then the height from the bottom of the door, they give it 36 inch. That of course you can install per your requirements. What they like for you to do is start with 1/8 of an inch pilot hole through the door and then follow that up with a 1 inch hole. Not ultra crucial that it be incredibly accurate, but you obviously want to drill the hole straight. The diameter of the body alone, the caliper says it's 1.01 inch. 1.01 inch, so that's going to be a pressure fit, that's for sure, into that hole. You might need to clean that out a little bit to get that to slide in there reasonably well for you. The cylinder ring that they're giving us here, and that's really where your 1 inch is going to come in, that's going to be 1.051, and that's meant to be pressure fit into the opening so that doesn't move at all. Overall thickness of that unit is 0.523. 0.523 is how far back that'll go. It'll get you steps 1 and 2. Generally what I like to do is drill that 1/8 of an inch pilot hole through the door, and I'll go through the door and I can watch and be sure that I'm drilling it straight. Then that 1 inch hole, I will certainly start on one side, go halfway through, then come on the other side and have that meet in the middle, because I've got a better chance of it being more accurate, straighter, but also I don't want to drill through the door and rupture the wood out behind it. Maybe if it's a closet door, that's not a big deal, but if it's a pocket door, it is, because you're going to see some of that, you know, ruptured out wood as you exit through with your drill bit. So be careful about that. Once you've got the holes drilled, you're just going to simply insert your bezel from the exterior and then your lock body from the back side. You're going to get 3 screws. 2 will be for the lock body itself, and those are identical. Those will match these 2 countersunk areas to the back of the door. Then you've got a strike that you're going to install either onto the jamb of the pocket frame itself or the back side of the other door is where you're going to install that. You'll install it on the back side of a door is how that'll work. Now this lock is available in two finishes, chrome and brass. You can order them keyed differently or keyed alike. Is simply, when there's an A at the end of the finish code, this is a US3A, that just simply means if you bought one today and bought one next year, they're going to have the same key, so keep that in mind. You very likely want an entire house with all the same key, or you likely will want all of the doors except the liquor cabinet. It's a poor example, but nonetheless something appropriate. That one door would be keyed differently when the rest can be keyed alike. Okay, that's just the bottom line. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Knape and Vogt products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Knape and Vogt, this is their part number BX1062-US3A. You get a couple of original keys with that. Or any other Knape and Vogt product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.